Yesterday, a significant chapter was etched into the annals of space exploration as an American spacecraft, under a private venture, kissed the South Pole of the Moon. This momentous occasion, known as Project Lunar Odyssey, is a testament to the meteoric rise of private space enterprises and their defining role in the future of interstellar exploration. The saga began with a launch from a private facility, a testament to the burgeoning influence of commercial entities in space exploration. The South Pole was chosen as the destination for its scientific significance, holding the promise of valuable resources like water ice and offering unique geological insights. The documentary footage presents an intimate look into the meticulous planning and execution of this lunar odyssey. It captures the palpable tension in mission control and the ensuing elation as the spacecraft gently caressed the lunar surface. Interviews with key project leaders illuminate the technological innovations that made this mission possible. The landing at the South Pole is of strategic importance, not just for its scientific potential, but also for its role in future lunar habitation. The mission employed advanced robotics for sample collection and deployed state-of-the-art instruments for geological analysis. The aim was to peel back the layers of lunar mysteries while laying the groundwork for sustained human presence. Equipped with cutting-edge communication systems, the private spacecraft kept the world updated in real time. Scientists and enthusiasts alike were treated to breathtaking images transmitted from the lunar surface, showcasing an Earthrise from a vantage point yet unexplored. The triumph of Project Lunar Odyssey underscores the collaborative nature of modern space exploration. Private enterprises worked in unison with government agencies, pushing the envelope of innovation. The mission's accomplishments go beyond national pride, fostering a sense of unity in our shared pursuit of knowledge and progress. Before we conclude this documentary, don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow us for more exciting content. Now, let's continue with the concluding thoughts. The ramifications of this private moon landing are far-reaching. As lunar exploration becomes increasingly accessible, the prospect of establishing a sustainable human presence on the moon draws ever closer. The South Pole mission serves as a stepping stone, unlocking the moon's potential as a platform for scientific research, resource utilization, and future deep space exploration. As we near the end of this documentary, the legacy of Project Lunar Odyssey continues to make waves in the annals of space history. This successful private moon landing not only adds a new chapter to American space achievements, but also paves the way for a future where commercial entities play a pivotal role in expanding humanity's presence beyond Earth. In the grand tapestry of space exploration, Lunar Odyssey stands as a testament to human ingenuity, collaboration, and the unyielding spirit of exploration that propels us into the cosmos. The South Pole landing is a beacon of hope, signaling a new era where the moon becomes not just a celestial neighbor but a gateway to the stars.